Hey, how's it going? Happy New Year to you and yours. Mike Mak here, founder of Automated Cleaning Business. All right, so this video, I'm gonna do things a little bit differently because this video, it's the beginning of the year, and we here, not just myself, my entire team who helps me with this entire process. I mean, we're just at a point where we exist to help people start, build successful cleaning businesses so they can ultimately do what my cleaning business did for myself and my wife. For anyone unfamiliar with our story, my wife and I, we met playing softball, and we were both working jobs that we absolutely hated. And now these were good jobs. I mean, these weren't like, we were putting tips on shoelaces and just getting paid 25 cents an hour. Like, no, we were actually doing okay. Just the problem was we wanted more. We wanted more from life, and we wanted freedom. Freedom was ultimately the thing that drove us so much, because we knew eventually, we wanted to start building our own lives, building our own family, and we didn't want to have to live the type of life where, it's my son's birthday, let me ask my boss to see if I can have the day off tomorrow so hopefully I can spend more time with my family. Or, oh man, everyone's meeting for Thanksgiving. Unfortunately, I'm actually going to be working on Friday. I can't. Can we do it Thursday? We just didn't want that life, So when my wife and I decided to start our first cleaning business, it made us so happy because we just knew what the future could be if we just dedicated ourselves to it. But ultimately, that first cleaning business just didn't work out. It was a franchise. And although we did well financially it worked out. The problem was ultimately is that we were stuck in a franchise. And instead of feeling that freedom as entrepreneurs, we actually felt like we still worked for somebody. And we felt like our franchisor, who was excellent, loved the guy, but ultimately it felt like we were answering to him. Why? Because we would have no say on who our clients were. So if we got a client that we weren't necessarily in love with, or the bidding was too low, unfortunately we were stuck with that client because we already paid for that client. So ultimately we sold that first business because we were still in hopes and just searching for freedom. We got sidetracked chasing, the trendy business, and after investing in so many different things and ultimately not working out, we went back to what we knew, what we actually had success with, which was a cleaning business. And then we started and built a new cleaning business. And it's great. It's great because not only are we, financially doing well, it's great because of all of the employees we have. See, it wasn't just our mission to build something where everyone works for us. No, we actually wanted to create good jobs. We wanted to create a good culture where people wanted to work with us. And we also wanted to create the type of business and the type of practices that would get high-end offices to say, hey, you know what? I want to work with you guys. I like what you have going on. And I'm happy to report that we've built that. And then we even built it to the point where my wife and myself were able to separate ourselves as much as possible from daily operations and have our business to where it essentially runs with other people in our place. See, notice how I didn't say it runs by itself, because no cleaning business truly runs by itself. Why? This is a people business, okay? That's why you can't have robots manage your company. What I believe in here and what my team believes in and what's worked so well for us is setting up great systems, setting up great processes to put in place, and then put great people to run these things on your behalf. Pay them well, treat them amazing, and then slowly but surely pull yourself away from operations. See, that in a nutshell is our story. So now I'm in a position in my life, and I've been doing this for the last 3 years, where it's like, hey, we have something truly unique. We have something that works really well. Why not help other people do this for themselves and their families? And I'm happy to report that it has been everything. It's been more than what I thought it could be. Just seeing people start with us with no idea what they're doing to get to a position where 6-7 months later, they're in a position where they're not only profitable, but they're not doing any cleaning. They're consistently bringing in counts, and they're feeling really good and really proud. See, that makes me incredibly happy. And that's why this YouTube channel exists, because you don't have to work with me directly. I take so much pride in knowing that there are people that right now aren't in a position to work with us, but it's like, that's why this channel's here. See, I don't want to just set up the type of business to where, people could just come to us from, an ad, and they only work with us and they don't know anything about me or what we believe in or anything like that. They just kind of see an ad and they see what we have to offer and they ultimately work with us. Because then I'm missing an opportunity to help the people who just aren't in that position. I know what that feels like. I know what it feels like to be starting out from scratch, okay? I know what it feels like to be in a position I'm in now, okay? Just two very different places. So I say all this to say this. I hope I have the opportunity to work with you one day. But if you are one of those people that just are not in a position to have a coach or a mentor, this YouTube channel exists because I want to help you where you are. So in order to do that the best, I want you to do me a personal favor. And you can email me directly, or you can email my team directly. The links below are there, but you could also comment, and that would be helpful too. So if you want my help, even at this level, just on YouTube, I will make you content to help you where you are. So to do that, comment below, tell me what your problems are. Don't, let me in on the context, because the more context you give, I can make videos specifically for those problems, and it'll feel like, in a sense, I'm already coaching you. So what do you say? Help me help you. Comment that below, and I will make this year, I'll make as much content as I possibly can to help you level up with your cleaning service without actually working with us. And then once you're in a position to have a coach and you want to add rocket fuel to your business, we got your back there too. Okay, so comment below what you need help with, and let's make 2024 great. Also, if you're in a position where you want to add rocket fuel and you've been watching me for a while and you've been thinking about it, think no longer. Press the first link in the description, talk to my team, and let's see if we can help you. That's it for this video, guys. 2024, let's make it a great one. Together, let's take our cleaning businesses to a whole nother level. If you work for it, you absolutely deserve it. I'll see you on the next one. Ooh, heartfelt. I don't know what to title that.